Hello everybody, welcome to the Cutting Room Creative in Nanaimo, British Columbia, Canada. My name is Edwin Johnson and today I'm going to be working with my client Olivia in going through a KERASILK treatment on her. We're going to do a De-Frizz service just to control her little frizzy flyaways and get her hair a little smoother, help with some shine, and really just encourage her to have a nice, healthy, smooth De-Frizz type of look. Olivia, is there anything you're looking for today?
Just mostly my frizz to be removed. I've been struggling with it for most of my life, so it would be so nice to have that on.
Awesome. Well, we're going to take you to the sink. We're going to do a nice shampoo, and then we're going to get you prepped for our service. So let's go. So now we've done a full inspection on Olivia's hair. So it's about 75–80% dry. Okay, so we've got Olivia's hair to the right porosity. I've dried about 75–80% of the moisture out of her hair. And now I'm going to go in with a comb and we're going to section it out. I'm going to work in 4 quadrants. So I'm just going to split this roughly down the middle. Super easy. We're just going to split it from the front to the back nape hairline. And I'm just going to take 2 sections on each side. So we're going to work the service from her nape up towards the front hairline. So working from back to front. This way the hair can just keep laying down on top of itself. All you have to do is take the keratin treatment itself, put it in a bowl. We're going to apply it with a brush. Super easy, no mixing. I've measured the amount for medium hair, medium density hair, and we'll get started. I'm going to start in the nape, and I'm simply just going to apply the product with a bowl and brush. That gets my application done. I'm just going to go through with a fine-tooth comb now and really stretch out that hair around the front hairline and really get it nice and smooth. And then this is going to sit and process for 15 minutes. And then we're going to take Olivia to the basins. I'm not going to rinse these little hairs at the front. So these little frizzy hairs at the front, we're going to leave the product on there. That's going to give a more intense smoothing for the little frizzy flyaways. And the rest we're going to rinse out a little bit in the back. So you can just see how that's just sat nice and straight for the duration of the 15 minutes. We took Olivia to the basins, and then what I need to do is I need to blow dry this until it's perfectly dry, 100% dry, and then I'm going to go through it section by section with a flat iron. So you can see we've got that blow dried nice and straight now. I don't need to put a lot of tension on it. I just want to get the excess moisture out of it and get it 100% dry. So the recommended temperature for the iron is 390 degrees for colored hair. I'm actually going to go down to about 350. Olivia's hair is finer, and I just want to make sure I'm not going to damage it or have any color change. So I always recommend lowering that temperature a bit. You can always increase it. And then we recommend 4 to 6 passes with the iron. Okay, we've just come back from the basins. We've shampooed Olivia's hair with the Nourish Control shampoo and conditioner. That's going to help seal in the service, give it some longevity, and keep the hair nice and smooth, shiny, and healthy. Improve the elasticity, and you can see it's totally combable right from the sink. And you can see all those little frizzy hairs are all gone, which is fantastic. So we have one more step in our process. This is our finishing serum, and this is a leave-in. So we're just gonna, I just kind of like to zigzag it, and I'm gonna use a fine-tooth comb. And I'm going to work that through from roots to ends. And then what we're going to do is we're going to blow dry Olivia's hair. So you can see how nice and easy that was. All those little nasty little frizzy pieces are all gone, so we got a really good result there. I think Olivia's super happy with that.